Hello everyone, my name is Jamaica Escota and I'm proud to stand before you as the future president of the Strong Hands, Strong Voice Union. Every day we show up, work hard, and keep this company running. But while we build its success, we are left behind. Low wages, unsafe condition, no voice in decision. That ends now. SHSVU is fighting for fair pay, safer workplace, job security, and respect. We are not asking for favors, we are demanding what we have earned. History has proven that when workers stand together, we win. Now it's our turn. Your hands build this company. Your voice deserves to be heard. Stand with SHSVU. Together, we are unstoppable. Again, my name is Jamaica Escote, your future president.